Welcome everyone. So today it's not a taking trades and explanation video. So in our channel, some of our members told me to make a video regarding the candlestick and candlestick pattern. So before we proceed, what is a candlestick? In a real life, candlestick, we just buy some candles from a market, and when we light the tip of the candle, it gives us what is a light, right? So how the candlestick form? Suppose, okay, in real life, okay, not in trading. Suppose this is a thread. This is a thread, right? This is a thread. So if we draw like this, we draw like this, right? If we draw like this, let me fill up this candle. So in real life the candle look like this way, right? Like this way. We just burn means we just light the tip of the candle and it gives us a, a light, a ray of light, right? Right? So this is a candle in real life. So what about a candlestick in trading? So candlestick in trading is nothing, just a candle, right? Let me do it as a black, and we need some wicks. So what are these, right? This is a this is a wick, right? This is a opening, or this is a closing, right? So if we write this, so this will be a wick, right? Opening and close of a candle. This is also a same opening, opening, opening and closing of a candle, right? So why opening and closing of a candle? Because this I am giving you just example. This is a candle, this is the opening price, or this is the opening price, then this will be a closing price, or this is a closing price, and this will be the higher high, and this will be the lower low, right? Lower and higher. This will be the higher high. Okay, let me say as a high of the market, and this will be the low of the market, right? So before we do this, let's do this and do this. So this is a candle. So after this, let me, okay, okay, this is great. So after this, what is a, so everyone clear, right? This is a candlestick pattern, and this is a candle in real life, and this is a candlestick in the trading life, right? So this is a wick, opening or closing of the candle. Till now we don't know. I'm giving just an example of a candlestick, right? So if it's a green, so suppose if it's a green candle, then this will be the opening price, and this will be the lower low, and this will be the wick of the low, and this is the closing price, and this will be the high of the, this is the wick and high of the candle. This is the higher high, right? And if we give a red candle, this will be the opening of the candle and closing of the candle, and these two are the wicks, vice versa. Okay, so we will proceed to, so this is a candlestick. So before we proceed, first we will see that does a candlestick actually work? Does it actually work in trading? Like examples we have seen in studied about the candlestick pattern, candlesticks, candlestick analysis, candlestick forming in support resistance, a continuation candlestick or a reversal candlestick, right? So before we go to the next level, I will, so before we proceed, I will take each and every candlestick in a single video, then I will explain in that video, then I will, in the next video I will explain the next type of candlestick. So this will be easy. So first candlestick we will, so first candlestick, okay, first candlestick, first candlestick, first candlestick we will learn about the hammer candlestick. So first candlestick we will learn about the hammer candlestick. So in real life, what is a hammer? A hammer is like this, and there is a little bit here, right? So we grab the handle and we just hit a pin for our daily not daily purpose, for something like we have to stick a clock in the wall. So we take a hammer and we just push the pin inside the wall by the help of hammer. So this is it. So this is a normal life hammer. So in trading we will draw a hammer. What are the types of hammer? So this is a hammer. So this is a hammer. It's a bullish hammer, and this is a bearish hammer. This is a, so this is a bullish hammer, right? Bullish hammer, bearish hammer, and this is a inverted bullish hammer, and this is a inverted bearish hammer, and we say as an hanging man also this. So what is the purpose of this hammer candlestick or inverted hammer candlestick? So if we say according to the rule book of trading, so let me write according to the rule book of trading, a hammer is a reversal as well as a continuation candlestick. Reversal happens at support and resistance, and continuation happens in the middle of what we say in the middle of a trending market, right? So this is it. So if these hammers are formed in suppose this is an resistance and this is a support. So if a market is going here and the hammer is formed in here like this way, then market the market will reverse according to the book, right? And in here the hammer is formed or a inverted hammer is formed like this, then the market should reverse, right? Market should reverse if even if a inverted hammer is formed, and in here if a hammer at the support or resistance hammer is formed, then it should reverse. So a hammer is an actual hammer when the wick is twice as the long of the body of the hammer. Suppose this is a body, so if this body fits in this wick two times, one time, two times, then it's a real hammer. So this is, and if a hammer is formed, inverted hammer or a hammer or inverted hammer is formed in the middle of the trend, then it should continue. So this is hammer and inverted hammer in support and resistance in the market. So does it actually work? The big question in the trading, right? Big question. Big question. Does hammer actually work, right? Does hammer actually work? So if we go in the real market, many of you have find, I think obviously everyone has seen that sometimes it reverses in the support or resistance and sometimes it does not reverse, and it continues the and it break the support and resistance and continue in that direction. So I will give some examples, okay, live trade examples, but it's a big but you yourself have to find it, whether I have written whether it actually works or not, right? So we will do as 16. Okay, so the big question is, does hammer actually work? So this is a big question, but you yourself have to find it. You have to find it by yourself. I'm gonna teach you, but you cannot see me and trade like that. That I have told you that if a hammer and inverted hammer is formed at resistance or support, this means a reversal. I never said so. It's the rule of the book. In every PDF, in everywhere we see that there is written that if the hammer or inverted hammer is formed in the resistance or support, and it reverses, right? But you have to find it yourself, and if you find it, then you will get it to know. Because in every time, suppose the market is going upward, and there is a resistance and the hammer is formed, and we think that the market will reverse, but the market breaks the resistance level and directly it goes up, and it's a loss of our trade. So why is it? Why does this happen? So this is the point where you have to find yourself. So let's go with the live examples. It will take some time, but we will try to we will try to make some examples in here. So if we are seeing live examples in here, okay, see, this is we can say but not a hammer. See, this is a hammer. It continued or reversed from this level. A hammer, it continued to this level, and from here it reversed. A hammer, it continued, right? And again, as you can see here, let me show some more example. A hammer continued, did not reverse, right? A hammer, it reversed. Hammer, inverted hammer, it reversed. Inverted hammer reversed, but from this level it reversed, and again it came down and again went up. We can take this as a hammer. Hammer did not reverse, but it went to the same trend. Inverted hammer, see, reversed to this level. Inverted hammer then came down, right? So if we go some more, a hammer reversed, hammer reversed, continue as you can say. So we will see from top also now. A type of hammer, but it's not a strong hammer. It reversed from this level. Hammer reversed till this point and again went down. Hammer went to the same direction. It did not reverse like this way. It came down. So this is the example. Okay, see, inverted hammer and it reversed, right? And in here, no. So this is the example. So as you can see, I've given some examples where the market reverse also, it did not reverse also, and sometimes it continue also. So this is the point where you have to find whether it really works as the book says or not. So there are tons of videos, even there are there are tons of traders, YouTubers who are better than me explaining from from the more longer time. Uh, they, uh, they are saying about the candlestick pattern before me also. So after looking this video, you can look more videos about the hammer. But even after you watch this video or any else videos, but if you don't trade in real life, means in demo account, or if you don't practice and if you don't give time in the market, then you will not find that if the hammer is formed, whether it will be reversed or it will be continued. Until and unless you don't trade live in examples or practice, you will not understand this thing. By looking some videos, yeah, this is he said this, if hammer is formed in a support or resistance, the market should reverse, and if the hammer is formed in the middle of the trend, the trend will continue. But sometimes if you fail and blame to the other people that he said this way, that way, but he did not react this way, market does not react as same as always. So if you give time to the market, if you do practice, you will find out that whether it really works or not, where the market will reverse or not, or where the market will break the support and resistance and continue to the same direction. So let's do some examples in here. I'm gonna trade some examples and I will tell you why this market reversed or not by the help of hammer and inverted hammer. See, it reversed from here after inverted hammer. This one from here did not reverse, but it reversed from inverted hammer. Let's check some more examples. Okay, okay, this was a ATM. Okay, now this is an hammer, Euro USD. Okay, I think the market will. Okay, it's reversing an inverted hammer. Let's see what will happen. Now I think okay, it's reversing again. Nice. Now let's Let's find some more hammer or inverted hammer. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, the entry is not good. Let's see what will happen. I think the market will continue. The entry should have been here. Okay, this one also win. And if we can, let's see if we can find some more. Is this a hammer? Okay, okay. So, what do you think? Will market go up or go down? I think the market will go down. Okay, it's going down. No more hammer. Okay, in here a hammer has formed. So let's guys, what will it be? Will it be a put or will it be a call? This is a very risky one. Euro GBP, Euro GBP. Okay, in here our inverted hammer will form. I think it will form. No. Okay. Our inverted hammer is formed. Now let's see if the market will. Okay, the market will revert. Okay, not a good entry. Now let's see what will happen. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah, it's a win. So let me close the other tab and I will explain it. So the first one was ATM. So neither win nor loss. So it reverse. See, after this hammer, the market is going reverse. So this was a reversing candle. So this hammer worked as a reversal candle. See, so you have to find whether the market will reverse or not. Now see this example. So after this inverted, so see, after this hammer, the market did not reverse, it went up, say bullish candle, but after this inverted hammer, the market came down and it continued to the upper direction. Now it's swinging towards the down. So see, there is a level, right? There is a level here, as you can see. According to this is a resistance. So the market should have reversed, but it continued from here. See, we can take as an hammer, but this is not a good hammer also. But now see, this hammer, after this hammer, there was a level here, nice level, one time, two time, three time reversed, and see now, then after this inverted hammer, it reversed, or only for one candle. Now it's again coming down. So overall we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one ATM. Then other, okay, from here we have taken, oh no, yeah, 2306. Okay, this one, okay, 123. Okay, now the time is 11:19 p.m. So 11:06, first one is one win, second one was ATM 23.12, 11:12 is win, 23:14 win, 23:18 win. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4 win, 1 ATM. So this is the result overall. So the main point here is that the main point, a hammer is a continuation candle also plus a reversal. Every candle is a reversal plus continuation. But according to the market, according to the movement of the market, you have to find whether after this candle the market will reverse or not reverse. So it's upon you. You have to find that thing, or else who else will find it for you. Even if you teach from any teacher or anyone, without any practice there will be no success. Okay, so if you learn from any guru or teacher, from anyone, from any mentor, even if you don't trade by yourself, if you don't practice yourself, this thing doesn't matter anymore. How much you learn, it really doesn't matter in trading. You have to practice yourself. Suppose I will give an example. If you are studying a book, so suppose you have an exam. Okay, you are studying a book, only by studying you will not pass the exam. After studying you have to write it also to memorize the thing. Okay, if you practically write the things in your copy or notebook, then it will be better for your brain to memorize, because we are literally writing the notes, and uh, we are fitting it into the brain. So if if you just watch the video, or if you learn the something from other teacher or from anyone, it's you are just watching it. Okay, you are not learning, you are learning, but you are not practically learning until and unless you do a practical example by yourself. Until then, if you do a practical by yourself, then only you will learn. If you don't do a practical practice, you will not learn. It doesn't matter from whom you learn, it doesn't matter if you don't do practice. Okay, so this is it for today, the hammer, for hammer and inverted example. So I will tomorrow also I will make some videos. Let's see what will happen. So guys, this is its end. So if we will start the free signals again. So just wait. I've been busy due to some work. So I think from tomorrow I will start the free signals also. So don't worry, guys. So good night, everyone. Have a nice day. Be learn something new and always do practice. Without practice, nothing is nothing is possible. So that's it for today. So hope you guys learned something. So do practice, or if you don't practice, you will not succeed. You will not learn anything. Do practice, do practice, do practice. Bye bye. Good night, everyone.